Good morning everyone, day 2 here at Karrera Cafe and the boys started working already. We're gonna do some quick updates. We have a little issue with alignment of the body panels, but that's easily done with some grinder. So right now the boys are fixing the rear diffuser over here. We have the beautiful work wheels thanks to one of our sponsors, Emtrac. Emtrac and Varta Philippines have been sponsoring my cars for like a few years already, and super reliable, super fast. They always have stocks on hand and they've been super helpful with getting all my cars running, especially those cars that I don't get to use all the time because the batteries run flat. And we also have Motul Philippines right now in the back. Motul is our new sponsor, and right now the Fitment guys have removed a lock ring. We actually added a spacer and we removed the lock ring on the strut so that we can get it to go lower. What's the point of air suspension if the car rides high? So we want it as low as possible. Now, some of the major issues that we have are here on the front bumper. The alignment here is off. We're gonna have to cut this bucket out here. As you can see, it's pulling really drastically here. And then there's a weird fitment gap right here. So we're gonna have to fill this section in so that we can get a nice even line over here and then see if we can sort this whole section out. We have a little panel that's gonna glue on here. Later on we're gonna have to bond it on. Tomorrow we have second skin coming in so that we can start the wrap on the car. It's gonna be this beautiful red color that I really like. I've been in love with all the Innositec colors, so this is gonna get the treatment as well. Yesterday we had alignment issues here and now it's all sorted out. Had to drop the exhaust because it's hitting some of the parts of the diffuser, and we do have another exhaust, it's just that I don't know when it's arriving. We have issues here. Got a special visitor, Archie and Joe and Kim. Kulang pa. Sponsor. Trying to make this go in. Oh my god, it's not. the most expensive thing I've signed today.
I really wouldn't mind, And if we were to talk some, I'll just be polite.
It's her Polaroid. Look at that.
Like you did mine, but you don't.
That time when you brought that up.
It's pantay na.
To let you bring me down, I'm done with it. 'Cause now I see the benefit. I'm saving so much time. No vengeance on my mind. I could even the score with your friend like you did mine. But you don't matter no more.
So Kyle is figuring out our LED taillight conversion. Apparently he's never done one before. I feel so confident right now.
I've done one.
I've done
Mustang taillight.
I've done one. Do you know how expensive these original taillights are?
It's very expensive. Good thing it's like hot glue type, not
This car
cold
is
glue.
gold.
Mano-mano, that's fine.
So tomorrow Kyle's planning to basically solder everything together. So right now he's laying out the different colored LED lights.
The thing is, each color of LEDs kasi requires a different voltage. Red is technically 3 volts, yellow is like 2 volts. But that's why there's different resistors for each.
That's confusing.
Yeah, very confusing. And then the one of the legs is smaller, di ba?
Yeah, so
There's the
smaller-
positive and there's the negative.
So pero ganyan po. I think, yeah, I guess we did that, no? We got it to light up already, so we have hope. We have hope that he's not gonna screw it up.
No, it's not an experiment. It's just that I have not done it with an NSX.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
first
so
time.
technically, it's not an experiment, technically.
And Archie came in clutch. Archie ordered us some signal lights from Facebook Marketplace, and look, I cut it in, and it looks OEM, baby. Right now the team is doing some final touches. We're overtiming tonight. We're doing a lot of things that need to be done so that tomorrow Second Skin can start wrapping. Kevin is making the gapping, and he's basically fixing all the fitment issues on the corner. So we're gonna have to sand this later on also and fix the light curvature. And then down to the front, we have to fix the gapping of the fender and bumper because I'm not quite happy. There's a few things we need to sort out also. As you guys know, I pointed this out. That is too big for my taste, and we're gonna have to sand and fix the gap here, and then the gap here needs to be done. All of this needs to be done now. You guys know we worked on the side skirt a lot today. I was super unhappy with how the side skirt looked. I want to redo how the rear of the side skirt looks like because it basically doesn't line up with the fender, and I want to bring it out. We're gonna do that after this whole build because the side skirt on the driver's side is actually very short compared to the side skirt on this side. So definitely lots of work needs to be done. I'm surprised the battery's still good. So we're sanding the lines, trying to fix the gapping. Kevin's gonna fix this gapping along with that gapping.